So kitchen, this switch here is to switch the fridge on. Once you switch it on at the start, you can just leave it running. The solar panel will do its thing. Run fridge, freezer. Cooking, you've got two options. The top hob works when you are plugged into the electricity at the in a campsite, and if you're camping off grid and not plugged into electricity in a campsite, then the cooking is done on this hob, which can also slide straight through and out the other side. But to work this one, you need to back to the engine button, the 100-volt button that I mentioned when we talked about driving. If you're using this one, there's an on switch just at the side here, and that comes on when you've got the engine. So the engine needs to be running for this to work, but because of the electric engine, it's very quiet. That's your cooking. It's an induction hob, so you can just manage it by power or temperature, and all your cooking facilities, cooking pots, dishes, etc. are in this cupboard. As for the sink, just sink in here. Need to be mindful of here to use the need to switch the pump on for the tap. At the moment the water tank is empty, and if you do fill the water tank, just be mindful that whatever drains through the sink comes straight out underneath, so you need to be mindful of what you're leaving behind wherever you're camping. And that's cooking and kitchen.